Hello there, Taurus. So, this is your reading for September, October, and November. So, this is a 3 month reading, Taurus. This is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So, this is a general reading, and also we'll try to cover everything, no? Kung ano man yung mag-stand out na aspect, no? Ng buhay mo, whether that's on your finances, no? Uh, career, or even sa love life mo, no, Taurus. You got the King of Cups, got the Hermit, and the Ten of Swords. Now, Taurus, King of Cups is someone that this could be someone, no, that is very nurturing, but at the same time, no, they are very emotionally balanced. So this could be you, this could be a person in your life, no. However, we will clarify naman, pero ang nasa-sense ko agad sa reading mo, Taurus, uh, parang this is a person in your life, no, that you could have had, no, as a significant relationship with, no, pwedeng someone, no, na nakarelasyon mo, sorry, and I'm not sure what really happened, because you got the Ten of Swords. However, ang Ten of Swords naman is card of surrendering, a card of basically an ending of suffering, kasi tens are closing, no, ending. Now let's clarify muna the Ten of Cups para mas magkaroon ng context yung ating reading. Sorry, did I say Ten of Cups? King of Cups, no? With the King of Cups, you got the Five of Cups. Five of Cups is a card of disappointment, no? Regret, and also sadness. Now, Taurus. Taurus, uh, if we take a closer look dito sa Five of Cups, no, makikita natin na itong man, he's looking at these three cups, no, and sobrang nanghihinayang siya kasi ito ay nagbigay ng fulfillment sa kanya at some point, no, in his life. However, hindi niya nakikita itong two cups, no, na nasa likod niya. If he could just turn around, makikita niya tong two cups, and makikita niya pa yung bridge and the castle, no, or yung bridge papunta dun sa castle, na definitely mas magbibigay sa kanya ng fulfillment. However, nandito nga siya sa phase na to. So this could be in your past, kasi I try to read this column as your past. This is your present energy, and this is your future energy, no? However, kung hindi mag-resonate yung mga message within those timelines, that's definitely okay, Taurus, no? Pero ayun, with the Five of Cups, meron kang pinanghihinayangan. This could be that someone, no, na you feel that they are very emotionally stable, or pwedeng yung emotional stability mo, no, you're grieving for your emotional stability, no, that stability that you had before. Pwedeng yung energy mo in the past sobrang all over the place, and Minsan sinasabi nga nila parang nami-miss natin yung dating tayo, 'no, before we for example, before we meet a person, certain person, 'no. Kasi they definitely, uh, change our lives, 'no. So, puwedeng gano'n yung naging situation mo in the past, Taurus, 'no. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. With the Five of Cups, you got the Two of Wands. You could have a lot of plans, no, with this person. Kasi Two of Wands is a card of planning. Now, ayun ay yung situation na sinasabi ko are for Taurus, no, Taurus people na may mga questions regarding their love life. However, kung career-wise naman, pwedeng umalis ka, no, sa current company mo, no? Puwedeng nawalan ka ng job kasi this is a loss, no? Itong Five of Cups is a card of loss, no? And now you could be planning, no, your next move, no? If you're a business owner, puwedeng naka-experience ka ng loss, no, in the past, and now you're planning, no, on how you will move forward. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. With the Two of Wands, you got the Four of Pentacles. Now, Taurus, pwedeng sobrang tight ngayon, no, ng finances mo. Or pwedeng kung ano yung meron man, kung ano yung natitira sa'yo, no, talagang you're holding tightly dun sa kung ano man yung natira sa'yo. Kasi, look at this man, no, he's holding tightly to that one pentacle, no. Basically, lahat ng nasa isip niya, no, is money, no. He's actually stepping on pentacles then. And he only got one pentacle, no, here, na hawak-hawak niya. So, pwedeng finances, it could be tight. Yun nga, iniingatan mo kung ano man yung meron ka pa, no, yung natitira sa'yo. Kasi I feel like you experience a loss nga, no, in the past. That's why you may be having difficulty, no, letting go of let's say, experience ano ba, business failure, no. Halimbawa lang, no. So, kung may matira sa'yo, definitely, ingatan mo na yon. Now, with the Hermit, I feel like you're really trying to be wise, no, Taurus. And I feel like you're trying to be wise then with your finances. Kasi the Hermit is a card of wisdom. No? This is the archetype of wisdom, yung the Hermit. No? Tinatap niya talaga yung inner wisdom niya. So, feeling ko ayun yung ginagawa mo ngayon na currently, Taurus. Another Pentacle card. King of Pentacles. So, you could be really focusing, no, on your finances. If this is a person, Taurus, kung i-apply naman natin to sa love life mo, no, parang meron kang iniisip na you lost someone, no, and you have a lot of plans with this person, and parang ang nafi-feel mo na when they come back, for example, gugustuhin mo na silang ingatan. Parang yung message na nakukuha ko or iingatan mo na sila. So, that's what I'm picking up, Taurus. Medyo vague din yung message sa akin. Try to clarify the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, you have a lot of options, Taurus, no? If you are trying to start all over again, marami kang options. Now, I'm not sure if aware ka sa mga options na to. With the Seven of Cups, you got the Queen of Cups. So, you got the King of Cups here, got the Queen of Cups here. So, I'm not really sure if this is for someone na naghahanap ng love reading, no? Kasi pwedeng pair sila, no? Pwedeng sinisignify na itong mga cards na to yung energy ninyong dalawa. So, Queen of Cups is a very nurturing queen, no? Emotionally balanced din siya. Just like the King of Cups. Now, we also have to pay attention din kasi dun sa mga symbols, no, dun sa card. Now, ang napansin ko kasi, yung Queen of Cups, she's staring at this cup, no? So, feeling ko, merong kang possession na iniingatan. Meron kang possession na iniingatan na I'm not sure if ayun yung nawala sa'yo. Now, you got the Ten of Swords in your future energy. The Ten of Swords, sabi ko nga, it's a card of surrendering. So, pwedeng in the future, so surrender mo lahat ng to. If nahihirapan ka emotionally, no? Kasi you got the Five of Cups. Of course, ayan ay card ng sadness, no? No regrets. So, pwedeng in the future, pakakawalan mo na lahat ng yan. With the Ten of Swords. Now, to clarify the Ten of Swords, you got the Tower. The Tower is can be a situation, no? This can be a situation na hindi mo inaasahan, very unexpected for you, and that could lead you to surrendering everything. Now, Taurus, I'm not predicting na something bad will happen, no? Of course, wala naman talagang set in stone, Taurus. So, hindi ko sinasabi na in the future, may ganitong mangyayari, no? May tower moment na mangyayari sa buhay mo. But the tower is actually a good thing kasi ibig sabihin nun, hindi maganda yung foundation ng tower. Kaya siya nag-collapse, no? Kaya nagkaroon ng upheaval. Siguro, something na hindi lang ganun kaganda, no? Very unfortunate for the people inside this tower kasi nga unexpected. However, yun nga, at least you can build now your castle na with a more stable foundation. So, ayun yung message ng tower. Let's try to clarify. I feel like this is something to do with your past, no? With the Six of Cups. I feel like kung ano man tong nawala sa'yo, kung ano man 'tong situation kung nasaan ka. This is something to do with your past na nakapagbigay sa'yo ng, fulfillment 'no. Or you can be maybe just, feeling nostalgic about this whole situation or about this person, no? Or about this business, about this career. You got the lover, so I will not be surprised kung tungkol ba ito sa love talaga, no? Kasi uh, the lovers is a card of a choice, no? Pero pwede rin siya mag-signify ng partnership, no, between two persons. So, I feel like etong lahat ng to, Taurus, it's really fated, no? If ever na you have experienced a loss in the past, no, could be, no, a loss of a relationship, I feel like it's really fated. And I feel like hindi kasi hindi naging matibay yung foundation niyo to begin with, no? And you have a choice to move forward with the lovers, no? You have a choice to move forward, Taurus. And I feel like once na makapag-move forward ka na ma-surrender mo lahat, you will have a lot of option. Kasi itong Seven of Cups, feeling ko, hindi pa siya ganun kalinaw sa'yo. Hindi ka pa aware na meron ka pang ibang option. That's what I'm feeling, na Taurus. Oops. By the way, Taurus, I am not taking any reversal and I'm not taking cards, no, that pop out. So, hindi ko binabasa yon. Okay. So you got the the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is a card of perseverance, no? Despite of him, no, of this man, mm, being tired and exhausted, no? Parang ubos na siya. Oh, ubos na siya, pagod na siya. Pero still, uh, uh, he's being resilient, hindi siya sumusuko. So, I feel like eto yung energy mo. Pwedeng ngayon, eto yung energy mo, Taurus. Another card is the Knight of Cups. Medyo nag-stand out sa akin yung love and relationship aspect ng kung sino mang Taurus yung binabasahan ko ngayon. Knight of Cups, someone will be offering you a cup, no, Taurus, in the future. And see, andito siya sa top, no, ng Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups, sabi ko kanina, marami kang magiging option. And you got the Knight of Cups. So, pwedeng, yun nga, may mag-o-offer sa'yo in the future, Taurus, no, pwedeng ng relationship, no. You will be working towards this relationship. Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi naging maganda yung foundation, no. If this is a relationship, no, or say, this is business, no, na nag-fail, or say yung career, no, career mo na hindi naging ganun ka-successful. Kasi Eight of Pentacles is card of working, no? Really working hard on your craft. Kasi, ayun, mapapansin mo, yung lalaki dito, di ba, he's working on his pentacle. And ito yung taon niya nasa malayo. Talagang lumayo siya dun sa taon niya in order for him to focus on his craft. So, I feel like you're you will be working on your foundation in the future, maybe with this person, or maybe with another, let's say, another business, another career. Ang pinaka message lang ng mga cards, Taurus, is that you have to surrender, no? Surrender the fight kung hindi mo na kaya. I mean, what I mean by surrender is that um parang wag na ilaban ng ilaban. Magpahinga ka, take a rest, no? However, you still have to be resilient, no? Hindi naman tayo pwedeng sumurrender talaga, no? At for example, if you're a business owner, hindi naman pwedeng hindi ka na mag-try ng another business just because certain business failed, 'di ba? So you have to be resilient, Taurus. Now, I will draw you a card from the Sacred Traveler Oracle cards. I have meditated on these cards earlier, prior to this reading. And you got the Breaking Trail. A breakthrough is at hand. So this could be the Knight of Cups, no? In that you will be encountering in the future, Taurus, no? So this card has a separate message. Let me read it for you. So, a breakthrough is at hand. You're at the beginning of a breakthrough. Everything you've been doing for the past few years has been a preparation for what's ahead. There are instances when the path isn't clear ahead. And in those moments, sometimes you need to break trail. In your life, it may seem that the path disappears. However, the only way to reach your destination is to push through. Keep going, do things in a new way. Imagine a woman giving birth. It's hard, but through her great effort, a baby comes into being. Something new and exciting is coming into your life. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know it's not about following the path ahead, but creating your own trail. It's time to stop standing on the edge of life and just take a leap. Your patience is going to pay off. Old limitations and inner blockages are dropping away. Don't let fear keep you from moving forward. This is truly the time to allow yourself to experience the fear, but do it anyway. Something for which you've waited for a long time is about to come to fruition. Don't be afraid to jump in with both feet. Your efforts will help create a trail for others. So that is all I have for you, Taurus. Thank you so much. If this message resonates with you, please like and leave a comment kasi that will really help my channel. No? Again, thank you, Taurus, and see you in the next reading.